morning. I'm a little bit sick. At least I know it's not the vid, unless we're catching that twice now. This is the beach I managed to find last night in the dark. Pretty pleased with that. But I can't hang about. I need to get to Antalya for lunchtime because my bike mechanic is leaving for the weekend and I need my new brake disc. The gap on the right here is where I snuck in, not where I'm pointing. And like the dodgy beach, there's a parking price list for motor vehicles, but no camping fees. Look at all the salad you get with one tiny tantuni.
I think they recognise me off the telly in this restaurant. This is the third cup of tea they've brought me.
Oops. Keeping my promise to Orhan, I visited the Antalya Museum on my way into the city, and it didn't disappoint. But to be honest, I was feeling pretty ropey by this point. I'm on my way to a warm showers host, and if I'm lucky, they'll allow me to stay a couple of days to get over whatever this bug is that I've contracted.